Do you know how to count from 1 to 100 inches English? Let's learn together, it's easier than you think. 1. 1. I have one brother. 2. 2. She bought 2 apples. 3. 3. They have 3 dogs. 4. 4. I wake up at 4 o'clock. 5. 5. He can run 5 kilometers. 6. 6. The baby is 6 months old. 7. 7. There are 7 days in a week. 8. 8. I usually go to bed at 8. 9. 9. The class starts at 9. 10. 10. She counted to 10. 11. 11. 11 students joined the club. 12. 12. He ate 12 grapes. 13. 13. My cousin is 13 years old. 14. 14. The hotel has 14 rooms. 15. 15. There are 15 chairs in the hall. 16. 16. She learned to drive at 16. 17. 17. He moved to London at 17. 18. 18. 18 people attended the party. 19. 19. The movie starts at 19:30. 20. 20. I bought 20 pencils for school. 21. 21. My sister is 21 years old. 22. 22. The bus arrives at 22 past 8. 23. He scored 23 points. 24. 24. There are 24 hours in a day. 25. 25. The ticket costs $25. 26. 26. My house number is 26. 27. 27. She read 27 books last year. 28. 28. We stayed in room 28. 29. 29. He waited 29 minutes. 30. 30. The exam has 30 questions. 31. 31. There are 31 days in January. 32. 32. He saved 32 coins. 33. 33. 33 students passed the test. 34. 34. She wrote 34 pages. 35. 35. The temperature is 35 degrees. 36. 36. He ran 36 laps. 37. 37. I saw 37 birds in the park. 38. 38. The train leaves at 38 past 6. 39. 39. There are 39 people in the room. 40. 40. My father is 40 years old. 41. 41. The car costs $41,000. 42. 42. She waited 42 minutes. 43. I have 43 messages. 44. 44. There are 44 steps to the top. 45. 45. He worked 45 hours this week. 46. 46. She sent 46 invitations. 47. 47. 47 people joined the meeting. 48. 48. He collected 48 coins. 49. 49. The house is 49 years old. 50. 50. The speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour. 51. 51. He got 51 likes on his post. 52. 52. There are 52 cards in a deck. 53. 53. She waited 53 seconds. 54. 54. The bus number is 54. 55. 55. My grandfather is 55 years old. 56. 56. There are 56 students in the class. 57. 57. The song is 57 seconds long. 58. 58. He climbed 58 stairs. 59. 59. The clock shows 59 minutes. 60. 60. The store opens at 60 past 7. 61. 61. The train number is 61. 62. 62. He bought 62 balloons. 63. She cooked 63 cookies. 64. 64. There are 64 squares on a chessboard. 65. 65. My aunt is 65 years old. 66. 66. He traveled 66 miles. 67. 67. We sold 67 tickets. 68. 68. The page number is 68. 69. 69. I counted 69 stars. 70. 70. The old man is 70 years old. 71. 71. He waited 71 minutes. 72. 72. The room temperature is 72 degrees. 73. 73. The team scored 73 points. 74. 74. The hotel is 74 years old. 75. 75. There are 75 guests at the wedding. 76. 76. She has 76 followers. 77. 77. The bus number is 77. 78. 78. He found 78 shells on the beach. 79. 79. I counted 79 coins. 80. 80. The city is 80 kilometers away. 81. 81. He is 81 years old. 82. 82. The building has 82 floors. 83. She read 83 pages. 84. 84. We have 84 students in total. 85. 85. The bus ticket costs 85 cents. 86. 86. He walked 86 steps. 87. 87. There are 87 books on the shelf. 88. 88. She sent 88 emails today. 89. 89. He collected 89 stamps. 90. 90. The movie lasts 90 minutes. 91. 91. The room number is 91. 92. 92. There are 92 questions on the test. 93. 93. He scored 93 points in total. 94. 94. I have 94 unread messages. 95. 95. The train goes at 95 kilometers per hour. 96. 96. She painted 96 pictures. 97. 97. There are 97 seats in the theater. 98. 98. He counted 98 stars. 99. 99. I scored 99% on the exam. 100. 100. There are 100 people in the hall. Well done! You can count in English now. Next, let's learn how to say days, months, and seasons.